Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we explore Unit 1, Business Analytics. In this session, we'll focus on 5-mark and 10-mark questions along with their answers. We'll cover key concepts and common questions to help deepen your understanding of business analytics. So, let's get started and make this session both informative and engaging. Let's start by understanding what business analytics really is. Essentially, business analytics, or BA, is the systematic exploration of data using statistical and quantitative methods to help drive smarter business decisions. It's about digging into the data to find meaningful insights that can guide our actions. Now, how does this help organizations make data-driven decisions? Well, first, it helps identify patterns and trends within the data that might not be obvious at first glance. Recognizing these patterns allows us to understand what's happening and why, which is crucial for making informed choices. Business analytics also supports evidence-based decisions. Instead of relying on gut feelings or guesswork, we base our strategies on factual data, making our decisions more reliable and effective. This approach can lead to improved operational efficiency as we pinpoint areas where we can optimize processes. Another key benefit is the ability to forecast future outcomes. By analyzing historical data, we can predict what might happen next, helping us prepare and plan better. And importantly, business analytics helps minimize risks by highlighting potential issues before they become serious problems. Throughout this presentation, we'll see how these capabilities of business analytics tie into the bigger picture of making smarter, more confident decisions that drive business success. Now, let's take a closer look at the 3 main types of business analytics. First, we have descriptive analytics. This type is all about understanding what has happened in the past. Think of it as looking at dashboards or reports that summarize past performance. For example, a monthly sales summary helps us see how our sales have been performing over time. It's the foundation that gives us a clear picture of historical data. Next is predictive analytics. This takes things a step further by using statistical models to forecast what might happen in the future. Imagine predicting customer demand for the upcoming quarter. It helps us anticipate trends and plan accordingly, making our decisions more proactive rather than reactive. Finally, we have prescriptive analytics. This is about not just understanding or predicting, but actually suggesting actions based on the data. For instance, recommending marketing strategies that could optimize sales or customer engagement. It's the most advanced form, guiding us on the best course of action to achieve our goals. Connecting this to our overall theme, these 3 types work together to turn data into insights, predictions, and actions, helping us make smarter, more informed decisions across the business. Let's take a closer look at the difference between OLTP and OLAP. As you can see in this table, OLTP, which stands for Online Transaction Processing, is primarily designed to handle day-to-day transactions. Think of systems like ATM transactions or point-of-sale systems. They're all about quick, reliable processing of individual operations. The data here is current and detailed, because you need the latest information at all times. These systems are optimized for speed, especially for small, frequent transactions, and are mainly used by operational staff who need immediate data access. On the other hand, OLAP, or Online Analytical Processing, focuses on data analysis and reporting. This is the kind of system used by managers and analysts when they want to look at sales trends over time, perform complex queries, or generate summaries. The data stored in OLAP systems is usually historical and summarized, which makes it ideal for spotting patterns and making strategic decisions. It's optimized for fast responses to complex queries, even if those queries involve large volumes of data. So, in essence, OLTP systems support the daily operations that keep the business running smoothly, while OLAP systems help us analyze that data to inform future strategies. Both are crucial, but they serve very different purposes within the overall data ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the importance of business intelligence. First, one of the key benefits is that it provides insightful dashboards and visualizations. which are crucial for informed decision-making. These tools help us see the data clearly, making complex information more understandable and actionable. Next, business intelligence enhances strategic planning by analyzing market trends, allowing us to stay ahead of the competition and adapt quickly. It also plays a vital role in performance measurement and benchmarking, so we can evaluate how well we're doing compared to industry standards or past performance. Understanding our customers better is another significant advantage, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Real-time monitoring of business activities is made possible through BI, enabling us to respond swiftly to any issues or opportunities as they arise. Finally, business intelligence helps us identify areas for cost reduction and productivity improvements, which are essential for maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring sustainable growth. All these points highlight how BI is a powerful tool that connects data to effective, strategic actions across the entire organization. Let's talk about OLAP, or Online Analytical Processing. So what exactly is OLAP? It's a technology that enables users like us to analyze data from multiple database systems quickly and efficiently. Instead of sifting through raw data one piece at a time, OLAP organizes this information into what we call multidimensional cubes. These cubes are like a multi-layered map that makes complex data much easier to navigate. With OLAP, we can perform sophisticated calculations, identify trends over time, and create detailed data models. It's incredibly useful for making strategic decisions because it allows us to see the big picture and drill down into specifics when needed. Some common operations we perform with OLAP include slicing, which means focusing on a specific part of the data, dicing, to look at data from different perspectives, drilling down to see more detailed information, rolling up to get a summarized view, and pivoting, which helps us rotate data for better analysis. Overall, OLAP is essential for data visualization and strategic decision support, helping us turn complex data into actionable insights. It's a powerful tool that connects directly to our goal of making smarter, data-driven choices. Predictive analysis is all about using data to forecast what might happen in the future. It combines statistical techniques, machine learning, and data mining to analyze past data and make educated guesses about upcoming trends or risks. The key idea here is that by understanding historical patterns, we can better anticipate what's ahead. This approach is incredibly useful because it helps us identify potential opportunities, as well as risks that we might need to address proactively. For example, in marketing, predictive models can help us target the right customers at the right time. In finance, they assist in risk assessment and investment decisions. Similarly, HR departments can forecast staffing needs, and supply chains can optimize inventory levels. Some of the main tools used in predictive analysis include regression models, classification algorithms, and forecasting techniques. Each of these helps us interpret data in different ways to make accurate predictions. Overall, predictive analysis supports proactive decision-making, allowing organizations to stay ahead of the curve and mitigate risks before they become bigger problems. It's a vital part of modern data-driven strategies across many industries. Let's now discuss the various types of business intelligence tools and how they help us monitor business performance. BI tools are essential because they enable organizations to collect, process, analyze, and visualize data, all of which support better strategic and operational decision-making. First, we have reporting tools like SAP Business Objects and Crystal Reports. These tools are great for generating both periodic and ad hoc reports, helping us track key performance indicators and financial summaries efficiently. They provide the data we need to understand how different areas of the business are performing. Next are data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. These tools turn raw data into interactive charts and dashboards, making complex information much easier to understand at a glance. Visual insights like these are powerful because they help us identify trends and patterns quickly. Then we have ETL tools, extract, transform, load, like Talend and Informatica. These are critical for integrating data from multiple sources, cleaning it up, and ensuring its accuracy and consistency. Clean, reliable data is foundational for any meaningful analysis. Data warehousing tools, including Amazon Redshift and Snowflake, store large volumes of structured and historical data. They support online analytical processing, or OLAP, which allows us to perform complex queries and generate comprehensive reports about past and present performance. We also have dashboard and performance management tools, such as Qlik View and Domo. These tools provide real-time tracking of performance metrics, displaying KPIs, trends, and other vital indicators all in one place for quick decision-making. Finally, predictive analytics tools like SAS, IBM SPSS, and RapidMiner use statistical models and machine learning to forecast future outcomes. These are invaluable for strategic planning, whether it's demand forecasting or predicting customer churn. All these BI tools, when used effectively, help organizations stay on top of their performance, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions that drive success. Now, let's explore the benefits of monitoring performance. First, it enables real-time tracking of key performance indicators, or KPIs, which means we can see how we're doing at any moment. This instant visibility allows us to respond quickly to issues or opportunities as they arise. Improving decision accuracy and response time is another major advantage. When we have up-to-date data at our fingertips, our choices become more informed and faster, helping us stay ahead in a competitive environment. Monitoring also helps us identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies within our processes. Recognizing these obstacles early means we can address them proactively, streamlining operations and boosting overall productivity. It also plays a vital role in facilitating goal alignment across departments. When everyone has access to the same performance data, it's easier to ensure that all teams are working towards shared objectives, fostering better collaboration. Finally, encouraging a data-driven organizational culture is key. When performance monitoring becomes part of our routine, it promotes a mindset where decisions are based on facts and insights rather than intuition alone. Altogether, these benefits reinforce the overall theme of our presentation. That continuous, real-time performance monitoring is essential for driving organizational success. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for being part of this journey today. If you found this presentation helpful, I invite you to subscribe so you can stay informed about future insights and developments. It's a great way to keep learning and growing together. Remember, staying connected helps us all stay ahead in this ever-changing landscape. So, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks again for your time and engagement.